Is a massive if-else block actually faster than the strategy pattern? Let's take a look at the JMH benchmarked data. JMH is Java's micro-benchmarking standard. It measures isolated code in exact nanoseconds, bypassing JVM noise. At the microarchitectural level, massive if-else chain took 29 nanoseconds per operation, while strategy map pattern took 14 nanoseconds per operation. Hence, the if-else chain provides zero performance advantage. But even if it did, the applications require input and output. They cannot live in void. And simple local HTTP request takes 1.2 million of nanoseconds, while external HTTP request takes 15 million nanoseconds, which is 1.5 seconds. And all this basically means that even if we use strategy pattern that iterates through the list of 1000 positions, it is still neglectable if we compare it to a simple real-world operation, which is HTTP request. And of course, if you write your strategies in the efficient way, as you can see, strategy map performed more than twice more efficient than the long chain of if-else statements.